Hi guys, I hope your exams went well. So today I'm here with a video on which exams you should be planning for your June 2023 attempt. So for my introduction, if you're new to my channel, I'm Tashvita Gupta, one of the world's youngest ACCA and FR and SBR mentor. So today we are going to discuss few changes which will apply in September 23. So if something is going to change in September, that means we have to take into account of it in June as well. That means we should try to take those exams in June which are going to change in September. So if you are a student done with your skill level, what should be your preference to be done in June? I would say something out of SBR and SBL. Not because I'm teaching SBR, but because both of these subjects are going to change in the upcoming attempt, that is September 2023. So I'm going to discuss all the changes in very much detail, not asking you to DM me and ask me the details, but discussing everything in this one particular video. So first and foremost thing about SBR changes is that you are going to get the first question, the way the question is being asked, concepts are same, syllabus is same, but the way the question will be asked would be changed immensely. So previously we were getting questions which were you can say numerical plus discussion based, and we were asked to prepare extracts like extracts of goodwill calculation, extracts of NCI calculation, and then comments upon that. But now they will ask you to prepare, you can say they will give you a draft consolidated financial statement in the first question. So we are very sure the first question was consolidation, we were also sure beforehand. So they will give us a draft financial statement in the spreadsheet where there will be certain adjustments. That means there will be certain errors, wrongly applied accounting standards, where we have to rectify those errors and give them a correct answer. So that would be more like if you are an Indian and you've done your 12th from CBSE board. So we used to have those missing figure questions, right, where we used to fill the, you can say, the amounts there in that company accounts. I remember, I don't remember exactly, but there was such question where there were missing figures. So same way the question will be there, where you'll have to fill the correct thing. There will be an error, they will give you certain adjustments, you'll have to correct it and fill it in the pre-drafted consolidated financial statement. So now, being an ACCA mentor for SBR, of course, if even if you want to give your exam in September, there's no major change in the syllabus. The change is in just the way of asking. So I don't know, it might be, you can say, easier for you now, because now there will be less of the you can say mess created where there are many things asked in one question and we get confused, because now we are given a pre-drafted, we have a direction at least, right? We have at least a direction in which we have to solve the answer. So I believe that in September SBR would be a little easier, but of course that will totally depend upon the results. But that's what my tutor perspective is, that yes, if they're bringing in changes, then of course they'll also give some kind of lenient marking. They can't be so harsh that they change the syllabus also and then they also conduct harsh marking, right? So that's one point, and it's up to you what you consider. For me, if I was a student, it wouldn't have mattered to me. We are not afraid of any changes, right? We have top-notch tutors and everyone here to guide you, so no need to get afraid of the changes. We are just making you aware. Now if you give your exam in June SBR, the problem would be that you will appear in June, and by chance if you have to resit in September, then your mindset has to be changed. So think that way. What kind of a student are you? Are you sure that if you take the exam in June you will clear it? If yes, go for SBR. Why to wait for changes, right? If not, then of course you can say that let's prepare for the changed exam only, because now there is no other way out. So let's prepare for the changed exam in September itself, right? So that's one point. Secondly, there's also a change in SBL, strategic business leader. There's no change in the syllabus again, but it has been made a little very, you can say, interesting, I would say, where they will give you some content before your exam. Okay, a week before the exam you will get already the content on which you will be asked the questions. The case study will be out, and the duration of your exam, which was 4 hours earlier, will reduce to 3 hours. So that means that SBL is also becoming easier in September. it is becoming easier, duration is decreasing. Of course, if you have to write for less time, that nothing like that, that's better. 4 hours of focus is very difficult. Secondly, they are giving you a content earlier, beforehand. So now again you need some super guide to help you with that, because if the content is already out, so of course you can at least predict some of the questions, right? So if an ACCA is not fooled that they will actually give you the content out and you can predict the questions and you can easily attempt it, of course there will be some catch, some tricks which a good mentor only can guide you upon. So I would recommend Sir Hassan Dosani for that. And of course, all the tutors are here to help you out, and these are the few changes which are there in SBR and SBL, which you should be aware of as of now. So no need to create any mess, no need to get afraid, no need to actually feel like, should I give this exam in June or September? Go according to your plan. Just consider these few points in your consideration, that whether I should give SBR and SBL in June or not. So if you're a person who will clear it in one go for June attempt, because you have all the content ready already for the June attempt. There is no updation in that. But if you're someone who thinks that I might have to resit because I have certain obligations, work, or due to past experiences, if you feel that, let's be honest with ourselves, if you feel that I might not be able to clear in the first attempt, then if there is even a little bit of chance, then I would suggest go for September for these two subjects. So that is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful, and please do let me know how your exam went for March 2023, and all the best to everyone. Hope you make a good choice.